Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we will be drawing a sleek and stylish iPhone. Grab your pencil and let's get started. First, let's sketch a simple rectangle. This will be the body of our iPhone. Make sure the edges are smooth and the corners are slightly rounded. Next, let's draw a smaller rectangle at the top of your phone. This will be the notch. Inside the notch, draw a tiny circles for the front camera and a small oval for the speaker. Now, let's add the screen. Draw another rectangle inside the main body, leaving some space on the sides and bottom. This will give our iPhone a nice bezel. Moving on to the details, let's add a home button if you are drawing an older model. For new model, we can skip this step and move directly to the side button. On the left side, draw two small buttons for volume control. On the right side, add a slightly large button for the power. Let's not forget the camera at the back. Draw a small circle near the top left corner and add another small circle next to it for the flash. Now it's time to ink our drawing. Carefully go over the lines with a fine liner. Make sure to keep your hand steady. Once the ink is dry, erase the pencil mark to clean up your drawing. For the final touch, let's add some shadings. Lightly shade the edges of the phone to give it a three-dimensional look. You can also add a shadow beneath the fonts to make it pop off the page. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed drawing of an iPhone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more awesome drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.